Choosing the right laser cutting machine can be challenging. Low power, unstable frames, poor precision, and limited material support often lead to disappointing results. That's where modern diode laser engravers stand out. They offer higher accuracy, stronger cutting power, and user-friendly smart controls for DIY creators and small businesses. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best laser cutting machines of 2026. Compact, powerful, and perfect for wood, acrylic, leather, and more. We researched specs and real user reviews to build this list. Links are in the description for updated prices. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Number 5. ATOMSTACK P1 5W plus 1W Mini Portable Laser Engraving Machine. The ATOMSTACK P1 is a compact and portable laser engraver designed for precision DIY work. Featuring a 5W engraving laser plus a 1W infrared module, it handles wood, leather, paper, plastic, and even dog tags with impressive detail. Bluetooth connectivity allows easy control through mobile apps, making it beginner-friendly and convenient. Despite its small size, it delivers high-precision CNC performance with stable output. Ideal for hobbyists, small crafts, and personalized projects, this mini machine is perfect for creative users who want portability without sacrificing accuracy. Number 4. ACMER S1 Mini Portable Laser Engraver. The ACMER S1 Mini Portable Laser Engraver offers high-precision CNC cutting in a lightweight and beginner-friendly design. It's perfect for engraving logos on wood, glass, and acrylic with clean and detailed results. Easy setup makes it ideal for first-time users, while its stable frame ensures consistent cutting accuracy. The compact size saves workspace and makes storage simple. Whether you're creating DIY crafts, custom gifts, or small business products, this engraver delivers reliable performance with smooth operation and excellent engraving clarity. Number 3. AlgoLaser 10W Laser Engraver DIY Kit. The AlgoLaser 10W Laser Engraver is a powerful DIY kit designed for serious makers. With its 10-watt diode laser, it offers stronger cutting capability for wood, acrylic, and MDF while maintaining sharp engraving precision. Optional accessories like a honeycomb table, extension kit, and rotary roller expand its versatility for larger projects and cylindrical objects. The sturdy frame ensures stability during operation, and the user-friendly software makes setup straightforward. Perfect for hobbyists and small workshops, this machine balances power, flexibility, and professional-level results. Number 2. ELIDOR Z6 6W Laser Engraver Machine. The ELIDOR Z6 6W Laser Engraver features a 300 by 300 mm working area, providing enough space for medium-sized projects. Its 6W diode laser delivers clean marking and efficient cutting on wood, leather, and other DIY materials. Designed for home use, it combines solid CNC precision with stable motion control for smooth engraving lines. The sturdy structure enhances accuracy, while easy controls make it beginner-friendly. Whether for logo engraving, craft projects, or small-scale production, this machine offers dependable performance and excellent value for DIY creators. Number 1. TwoTrees TTS 10 Pro Laser Engraver. The TwoTrees TTS 10 Pro stands out as the most powerful and feature-packed laser engraver on this list. Equipped with a strong diode laser and upgraded touchscreen control, it delivers precise engraving and reliable cutting on wood, acrylic, MDF, and even coated metals. Its robust frame design ensures stability and accuracy during high-speed operations. Perfect for DIY projects, logo printing, and small business production, this machine combines advanced performance with user-friendly controls. If you want professional results in a versatile and powerful package, this is the top choice. If you want precision, power, and creative freedom, These laser cutting machines are excellent choices. From portable mini engravers to high-performance CNC systems, each model offers strong engraving quality and reliable cutting results. Whether for hobby projects or small business use, there's an option here for you. Which one fits your needs? Comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews.